Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get the Among Us cube and swing copter. So let's start with the first step, which is to collect mana orbs. So these specific icons are premium items sold by the mechanic, so you will need to save up a significant amount of mana orbs. So that is the blue currency. So you will need a total of around 10,000 orbs to buy both. So step number 2 is access the mechanic's shop. So you must have the mechanic unlocked and just go to the treasure room, which is the purple door in the daily level menu. Scroll to the last page and click on the large locked gate. So from there you need 500 diamonds to enter for the first time. Next up is locate the swing copter. So that is the swing 34. So once inside mechanic's shop, click on the swing copter tab and scroll until you find swing 34, which looks like a small Among Us crewmate in a glass cockpit. So click on it to buy it for 6,000 orbs, and then stay in the shop and switch to the cube tab. So you just have to scroll down to find cube 474, which is a simple square with the iconic visor. So purchase it for 4,000 orbs. And lastly is return to the main menu to equip the sus set. So open the icon kit, equip both your cube and swing copter, and for the best effect, you can set your primary color to red and your secondary color to cyan. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!